Hey, what up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing is gonna be on the Square reader, card reader that I bought on Amazon. It cost me about 26 bucks. It's gonna be on the description. All these unboxing videos are from Amazon are gonna be on the description. So let's get to the unboxing. Here is the front side and the rear side. One side and the back side, or the other side, and here's the side with all the serial numbers and stuff. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Just gonna make sure that there's no tape under there. Okay, and on the sides there is tape right here. Around wherever you bound, take a chance on chance. Okay, so here's the box underneath the little cover, and there's tape right here. Let me locate all the tape. Alright, just right there. The only things left is this tape right here. Okay. There we go. Oh, how's that for an unboxing experience? Alright. There's this paperwork in this little envelope thing. Let's look inside. Paperwork. I'm not gonna take it out. You guys could see it for yourself if you guys. Some of you guys aren't even gonna purchase this unless you guys see everything. So there's a Square reader, some stickers, so you guys could put on your readers or table, whatever. This is for people who are getting into a business and they want a way for their customers to be able to pay them besides paying them in cash. So I'm gonna put that to the side. There is the Square reader. It has the little NFC logo on it, so you could also use your Apple Pay or Android Pay, or I have a Samsung, so Samsung Pay. So let's get underneath it. So this box, there is the Square reader right here. There's a inside in the middle. You can see the little mag stripe reader. You connect to a headphone jack, which my phone has, and most phones nowadays they're not gonna have it. So this might not be useful in the future. And here's the cable right here, charging cable. Oh, look at that. Nice circle. And there's nothing else in the case. It's a pretty nice case and unboxing experience. This is a micro USB port side, and this is a type A. So that comes in it, so you can charge it. And here is the chip reader. Oh, look at that tape. Alright, so here is the micro USB port where you connect it so you can charge it. Here is the where you slide in the chip side of the card, and you could also just put your phone on here. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, so you could use that way, that form, so you could have your customers pay using their debit or credit card. Alright. And there's the part that where you slide your card in, and obviously you connect this to an audio jack. This is not Bluetooth. There you go. And that's all that this box comes with. Again, $26 on Amazon. If you guys are thinking of, like me, starting your own business, and it's gonna be really useful for you guys to have some way other than cash for your customers to pay you. And yes, you also download the apps for Square, all of the Square apps, so you could organize the way you pay your employees or the way you pay yourself, and just keep everything organized. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Like, dislike, subscribe. Please subscribe, help my YouTube channel, and comment if you're still able to comment on YouTube. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Till next time.